Video content is all-time high, but at the same time, it's very challenging to create engaging video. And when it's come to that, editing skill is one of the most important skill which you have to have if you are a video creator. But not everyone has that skill. So when it's come to that, this video is going to help you in an amazing way, because the tool we're going to use for creating our video is absolutely incredible. They have a bunch of pre-built template which you can use it in your project, in your video, no matter you are creating video for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. They have all these formats, pre-built format which you can use in your project. Enough of showing, let me take you to my computer screen and show you the video editing platform which you can use it for absolutely free for creating your video. So let's dive into my computer screen and give you a complete walkthrough tutorial that how you can use it. So let's move to my computer screen. As you can see that you are into my computer screen, I will provide the link of this website in the description, so you can click on that and you can come to the website of InVideo. So this is the website which we're going to use for editing and creating our video. So as you can see, they have category section. So they have, the best part of this InVideo platform is that they have listed in the basis of category. They have different categories, so no matter what industry you are in, if you are into a fitness, you can pick the templates related to fitness and you can do the customization and you can use those templates. So if I scroll it down, they have currently right this moment they have 4,000 plus templates which you can use it, stock videos, footage and music. You will get no copyright, so you can use it freely. If I scroll it down, there they are displaying that how many users they have. And this is the best part, how it works. Simply select the template, do the customization, change your image, text. You can do the changes in the animations. If you don't like certain animation, you want to do something in some other way, you can do that also, and you can export. Right now they have Itna plus templates. Just pick one and start doing the creating video. Right, they have also inbuilt software which convert your articles into a text video, which is absolutely amazing, because some of the content creator, they don't want to show their face, they want to make a video slider. So this is something amazing they have in this platform which they can use it for creating video. If I scroll it down, you have full control and full flexibility over each and everything or designing, you can do it. If I scroll it down, and here is the best part, here you will find 3 different formats which you can use it for your project. One, you can click on templates and you will find all the templates. Here is text to video, and you can get a blank canvas. So it's totally up to you that how you want to start, but in my case I will go with templates. So you can search it very easily, like what kind of template you want. You want testimonial template, like intro, offer, slideshow, ads, YouTube video, you can do on the basis of that. And if you scroll it down here, you can find all the templates which they have on their platform. As you can see, most of them are absolutely free. One of them you will find that you have to purchase for that, but I would tell you that go with the free version. So suppose I'm into a fitness industry, so I want to make a video for my YouTube channel, and for that I am looking for an intro. So what I will do, I will type simply fitness, FITNESS, and I will click on enter. So what will happen next? Like here I will be able to find all the templates related to fitness. So as you can see, they have a bunch of templates related to fitness which I can pick and do the customization, and I can use it in my project, which I'm going to show you that how you can do it. So as you can see here, they offer the ratios like 1:1, 19:16. So you can select, like if you're creating video for YouTube, just keep this one. For social media, you can click on this and you will find all the templates related to that. Some issues happen, not an issue. If you click on the vertical one, you can able to find all the templates related to your IGTV and for your social media platform. So this is how you can use it. So first I will show you that how you can do the editing. Suppose let me select a template. I want to select, let me scroll it down. So let me show you that how you can use it. So this is the template which I want to use. I will simply click on this template, and here I will get few options that how I want to use this template. I want for my YouTube or square or vertical. So I'm going to make it for my YouTube. So what I will do, I will use this one, 16:9, and I will click on use these templates. So as I have already created my account, let me log in very quickly. So once you successfully log in, you will find a dashboard, similar dashboard like this. Like here is all your detail that currently I'm on my free plan, and I have already worked on my few projects. So as you can see, that's all project you can able to find right out here. So I've already created my few projects.